What if one robot image could become a full commercial video? With CapCut PC and AI video, I can turn one product into multiple marketing scenes in minutes.
Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you how to use the CapCut to do the commercial with their AI feature. I already have the Navibot D1 release. I have the full video show how to create this robot by yourself, but actually I still need some commercial to show the best feature of the robot. So basically I need 2 minutes commercial. I try use some other software, but you need to download the results and use the another tool to merge them together. So to edit that, so finally I decided I use the CapCut, which just in one software you could generate the AI video and merge them together and do some editing. Yeah, that is the reason I try to use the CapCut to do this. So first of all, let me show you how to use this one. Let's go their website, open that. So first of all, let's start a new project. Now, here is the UI of the CapCut. So the first one, this is a media panel. This one is a preview. This one is a property. This one is a timeline. That's pretty much like some other software to the video editing. But they have a new feature, which is here, generates the AI image and AI video. So for my case, I need to create my product. My product is the main object for my story, for my commercial. So let's use the Seedance 8.0. Okay, first of all, let's get some photo. I already have some photo, so let's say this one. I take some photo over here, basically just the different sides of the product. So I put them together as a reference. Then I need to tell AI what I want to do, what's the object I want to generate. So the first one, I want to generate my product, which is the D1. I would say make it very professional and industry level, durable, and yeah, a bunch of this thing. Here is my prompt. I already have some prompt. Say okay, use this as a reference. Just use the original design, make it more industry level, like industry design, premium, professional commercial, something like that. Yeah. So I put this together. Also, I need to put some negative description, which means you don't want the AI to do something. You don't want to redesign everything. So you want to keep your original design. You don't want the AI to add something like add the camera and another color. So you need to restrict something. So here is everything I have. I will put this to the video description, so you guys could have a reference. So now let's put it over here. I think that is everything you need. Okay, so we use the Seedance 5. Okay, 2K. Let's generate. So it will generate the main object for this story. Then I will use this object to generate some video, some short video, so we could keep the role consistent. I don't want to the first video use one role and the next one we use another character. So we need to keep consistent, just have one character. Yeah, nice one. It will generate about 4 images. You could pick up one of them because maybe some of them may not right. So you could pick up the best one and use this one to generate the AI video. Okay, now it's a good one. I think this one looks good. Let me pick up the best one. Okay. I like this one better. all of them looks very good. So I think this one looks better. So let's use this one. I would click this guy. This will turn this to the video, to this image to the video. So let's click this one to AI video. Now you could type some description for your video, some prompts. I already have something over here. I want it to cinematic, futurists, all kind of stuff. You just put a here. So also you need to put the restriction, like no extra parts, no add-on sensor. Yeah, no changes for the structure. So just put this one to your description. Okay, now put over here. This will generate the video. It only generates one video. So you need to pick up like the resolution. I would like say 720p. I would only generate 5 seconds because if you generate more, it may get more chance to get the bad results. So I just put 5 seconds. You could generate like multiple times and merge them together, but I would like not generate that long in one amount. So now let's say, okay, everything looks good. Let's say generate. Okay, that's fine. This will take some time. It probably will take about 5 minutes to get it to generate. So you can see it's over here. You could have multiple threading generate that. You can find the one over here. Once you click this one, you will get the current one and drop the current one to the timeline. So now it's generate. If possible, I would prefer use the Seedance 2.0. Yeah, this one may take more credit, but the result looks better. And it's working right now. So let me show you some other feature. This one is the multi-mode. So you could specify the image and the video and then describe what you want. Also, you could do the text to video directly without any reference image, but I would like to use some reference. This could keep the character consistent. Also, you could use the multi-frame. Multi-frame, which means you could specify the first frame and the next frame after 15 seconds. What the frame would like, and the last frame. So this is very useful if you want to do some like the closing looping video. So the first frame and the last frame will be exactly the same. That is very useful. Okay, now it's complete. Let's try. Cool. Looks very good. Yeah, if you look at the detail, it's very good. Let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, it looks very good. Okay, this is the first short video. Let me do another one. I will not change the reference image, just use exactly the same reference image because we need to keep the character consistent. So let's type another prompt. This one we don't have any human over there. So this one, let's put a human over there and put the trio. Trio is muddy and rocky. So let's put this one over here. That's just a two example. Okay, let's go here. Let's remove this guy. Let's put here. Now let's pick up the Seedance 2.0. Okay, this may take more credit, but I think that's fine. I still have a lot of. Okay, let's generate. Now it's generating. It will take another 5 minutes. Okay, now it's working. This time it takes more time than the previous one because I use the Seedance 2.0, not 2.0 mini. So that is the reason it takes more time. Okay, now, okay, looks good. the CapCut already generates the music, so you don't care about the music, and all this music is copyright free. So you could upload to the YouTube directly. You don't need to change the music. You don't need to find another AI tool to generate the background music. So also you could pick up different duration, and even more, you could pick up 4K video. That may take more time, but it will get you better resolution. Now for my case, I think this looks very good. Just for the demo, yeah, you could pick up a different ratio over here if you want. Now I have two of them. I could put them together. So let's just put this to the timeline. Okay, I already have one, so let's remove one. Let's put this one. Let's here. Now you could just use this tool to do some editing. So let's just skip here. Here, I don't need to show you how to do the editing. I just cut some of them. So we should it's easy for this demo. Delete this one, delete the first frame. Okay, now let's try again. Okay, I think I put the same one. Let's put this guy. This guy is here. I don't need this guy. Get this one. Let's cut connected over here. Now let's start from the beginning. Let's try again. Yeah, it looks very good. Before I do this demo, you could export this to the TikTok directly. So you just need to sign in. I already signed in before. Okay, so now I could share this one. Let's say just private. Go here. Now let's go. So you will see it show up over here. Yeah, immediately. Now next one, let me show you how to export this to the YouTube. So let's go export. So let's say sign in. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so it show up immediately. Yeah. I will show you the final product I generate. So you can take a look. It looks very cool. I prepared about 10 prompts. So here is my prompt. Let me show you my prompt. Here is my actually prompt. So I have a whole bunch of them. I generate about, I think about 12 short video and put them together. So here is the final product. Let me show you how that looks like.
Before we finish, there's one more exciting update. Seedance 2.5 is coming soon. It will bring more powerful AI video generation, better creative control, and longer storytelling capabilities. Stay tuned for the next generation of AI video creation.
Okay, I think this pretty much all for this video. I think that is a very useful. I just took about 2 hours to get the final commercial done. Yeah, it's very easy to use. If you guys interested, you can check my video description. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye.